Moving homes in the UAE. Let Baxter Shipping make your transition smooth and stress-free. At Baxter Shipping, we understand the challenges of moving. That's why our experienced team handles everything for you, from packing to transportation, so you can focus on what truly matters. With years of expertise, our specialists create tailored moving plans that are efficient, timely, and handle your belongings with the utmost care. Whether it's a local move or an international one, we've got you covered. We start with a thorough consultation to understand your specific needs. Based on this, we create a customized plan, ensuring every detail, from packing to transportation, is meticulously handled. Our skilled packers handle your belongings with care, using high-quality packing materials to ensure they arrive at your new home in pristine condition. Based on the consultation, we create a detailed moving plan that outlines the packing, transportation, and delivery process. Our fleet of well-maintained vehicles is equipped to transport your belongings safely to the new location, whether it's a local or international move. We go the extra mile to make your move stress-free by not only providing unloading services but also unpacking and assisting in setting up your new home. For added convenience, we also offer optional storage solutions. We pride ourselves on delivering exceptional service and peace of mind during your move. From start to finish, we're with you every step of the way. Ready for a seamless move? Contact Baxter Shipping today for a free quote and let us take the stress out of your relocation. Trust Baxter Shipping, your reliable partner for seamless residential moves. Find more about us at www.baxtershipping.com.